going on, everybody? So I'm back in the video. Hope everyone's having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get WhatsApp on your Apple Watch. So I'm going to be using my iPhone SE as the demonstration in this video. So this is going to be using a third-party application. So fortunately, Apple doesn't allow us to have the official WhatsApp on our Apple Watch. So yes, we're going to be using a third-party app. So I know some people may have issues with this. Just use this at your own choice. The app does state that it does not take any of your information. All your privacy is completely safe, but that's up to you to decide. So with this application, it is going to transfer everything from your official WhatsApp app on your iPhone. So all your contacts, your messages will appear on this application as well. It is from the App Store, so it is completely free, but there is a paid subscription to access a bunch of other extra features. So the first thing you're going to do on your iPhone is go to the App Store and you want to download the app called WatchChat 2. I'm looking down below in the description. It's completely free from the App Store. So when we open up the application, it's going to give you instructions on how to actually connect your WhatsApp account to this application. So basically, we're going to have to open up the WhatsApp chat on iPhone and basically scan a QR code. So what you want to do first is make sure the WhatsApp app 2 is installed on your Apple Watch, and you can do that by either going onto your Apple Watch and looking for the app, or just go into the WhatsApp application, scroll down, and you will see that you will notice that installed on Apple Watch, it says WhatsApp right here. So it's show app on Apple Watch. So it's officially installed on the Apple Watch. So the next thing we want to do is go to our WhatsApp account on our iPhone. So from here, what you want to do is go into the settings application on the WhatsApp app, go to link devices, link a device, and it's going to scan for my Face ID or enter passcode, and then from here click on OK, and it's going to ask us basically to scan the QR code. So we're going to leave that aside right now. We're going to grab our Apple Watch, and you'll see right here, let's look for the application because it did say installed on my Apple Watch. There it is, and what we want to do is tap on that, and you can tap to resize the QR code and basically scan the QR code from our iPhone to this application. So I've officially linked my account to this application, so it may take a while for you. For some reason, my camera was just super blurry and it wasn't focusing on the QR code properly, but you'll see right here, once it does connect, you will see that we have my messages on this application from the WhatsApp app. So we can now go into any of our messages right here, and there are a couple ways to actually send messages. Same thing, we can actually type on this little keyboard right here. So if we go back right here, click on this little arrow, we can actually send a quick voicemail. So we can just say what we want to say, it will actually automatically type it, or we can draw the letters ourselves and send it through that. So pretty cool. We can also send a voice message as well. So if we scroll down, there is an option for settings, so we can actually change the chat font size. If we go to keyboard, we can change the keyboard layout, and like I mentioned earlier in the video, there is a subscription section, so you can check that out if you want to subscribe to their full subscription to get all these extra little features. But that is how you get the WhatsApp app on your Apple Watch. So if you did enjoy this video, it did help you out, let me know down below in the comments section. And also, if you're still having issues getting the QR code to work, let me know down below in the comments section, and I'll be sure to help you guys out. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.